Today I'm going to continue the topic called Segnet. That is, today I'm going to additionally explain some points about the Segnet. The previous I explained also told about some points, and here we will get more information about the Segnet topic. And before going to Segnet, we have to get idea about semantic segmentation, because semantic segmentation is one of the familiar deep learning algorithm where each pixel link with the other pixels in the image. And moreover, suppose if I image, where is the image and what is the, I'm using here, where is the image and what is in the image, what kind of objects in the image. For finding the answer, we can use the semantic segmentation. Semantic segmentation answer, what is the what is, where is the image and what is in the image, everything we get the information of the semantic segmentation, because segnet is one of the familiar deep learning architecture and come under the category of semantic segmentation only. And what you can do means, what we can know means, segmentation of the deep learning algorithm which always follow the encoder decoder structure only. Let's go for the architecture. Generally, yeah, here it consists of three components. One is called encoder, another called decoder, another main component called the softmax classifier here. So once come to, and also the segment always consider input images as a RGB image only by default. And here the encoder network consists of 13 by default, 13 convolution layers here by default, and it deals with the convolution, where the convolution deal with the convolution operation deal with the filter bank to generate the feature maps here. And after this feature maps, the next step is called max pooling, reload. This feature maps move to the stage of batch normalization. Then reload activation functions happen here. After the reload process, it move to the max pooling layer. So the main specialty of Segnet is max pooling indices, because these are used to reduce the dimensions of the spatial information and also downsample the feature map and so on. So and also at last reduce the memory usage here. So the major advantage of Segnet is efficiency is more comparing to unit and other models, and also reduce the memory usage with the help of max pooling layers here. Then you go for the, before going to the output, stop max layer, then the picture must, after extracting and everything, the picture must move to the stage of decoder. The decoder network perform the convolution operation with the train up decoder filters here. And also again this batch normalization applied, again the downsampling upsampling happen, at last it go for the, to go and helpful get the output segmentation here. Or here the output segmentation, that means the output of the decoder is forward to the softmax layer. The softmax layer identifies the pixels classification independently, that is specialty. And also the output of the softmax layer is called K channel, that is the number of classes like that, by default is showing like that. At last the predicted segmentation output generate the result. So here have what are we having, this showing the result here. So this is about Segnet. And once come to the unit is developed for only biomedical segmentation, but this Segnet is approached for many applications, even roadside scenario. If you have a road, there will be vehicles like car, people, whatever there, you can monitor with the help of Segnet also very easily. And also Segnet and unit both supporting the semantic segmentation. And also comparing to unit, Segnet is very good because of the point of efficiency and use the reduced memory usage. This is all about Segnet. I hope that you understand the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.